talking about cleanliness, being clean, sanitizing our hands often, washing our hands often, wearing masks, wearing gloves. Well, that's all well. We must all do our part. But there's one other place that sometimes gets overlooked, and that's our food. Now, there you can rinse your produce and you can wash your produce. There is a difference. Rinsing your produce is just running it under some water with your hands, rubbing it off. But to clean your produce, to wash your produce, you have to use a cleaning agent. No, I'm not talking about dish soap. No, I'm not talking about bleach. What I'm talking about is an everyday item that is in more than 90% of our homes, if not more homes than that. And not a lot of people know that it actually is a cleaner. You can clean and sanitize with it. White distilled vinegar.